Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I'm very happy to see you here once again. In today's video I am going to show you how I made these turquoise triangle resin coasters. So if you would like to see how it's done, stick around and let's get to it. So I have pre-mixed my clear resin and I will be dividing for my colors. Today I am using turquoise and white color and a silver leaf with little bit of crushed crystals. And also I am using alcohol ink because this I will be adding to my transparent to spice things bit up, so you will see in a bit what do I mean. And here, while I am mixing everything up and preparing, I wanna say a big thank you to all of you who has lately subscribed to my channel. At the moment I'm very happy because I have reached my first 3-digit number and it's growing quite nicely. I am very happy. So everyone who subscribed, thank you very much. It's very appreciated. So here I am mixing my white and I put down some drops and I am testing to see actually how white is it, because I don't want to be too heavy or too light. It needs to be just right. And to my transparent big pot I am adding a little bit of alcohol ink. So I'm not sure what I'm going to get, but I want to try out and see. So I'm adding drop by drop because I don't want that this resin becomes too opaque. I still want it to be very transparent. And here are my triangle molds and I am ready to pour. These molds are quite old already and they start to deform. So I think this was the last time that I am actually using them. I will have to get me new ones. And yes, here I start by my opaque turquoise and I am pouring on edges. And I miscalculate a bit the amount of resin and in the end I kind of need to scoop out from the other mold to fill my fourth one. And speaking of new molds, I'm super excited because I have ordered some new molds from Molds and Shapes company and I am waiting that they will arrive. So yeah, soon you're gonna see me try out new molds. So after the turquoise I am putting down the transparent with ink after that I go over with my torch carefully to pop any new bubbles. And then it's time to add my silver center. And afterwards it's going to be the white color. So I will let you enjoy this process and I'll come back to you very soon. And that's all done. Now it's time to cover them and let them cure for a day, 24 hours. And this is the next day. They are nice and cured and hard, and it's time to see what has happened. And very nice indeed. I like the color and the silver middle looks great. And wow, this looks very great. I love a lot how the resin played and what kind of pattern it made. I am very happy with the coasters. So the next step is to paint the edges and give them a top coat so they look fabulous. And here they are, all ready and finished. I am really happy and I love this triangle mold very much. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!